Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your profile picture and bio on X. Whether you want to update your look or refresh your bio on X account, this guide will make it super easy. Launch Open X application on your Android or iOS device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to update. Once logged in, tap on your current profile picture in the top left corner and then click on Profile. Under your Profile section, you'll need to click on the Edit Profile button at the top right. In the Edit Profile page, click on the Camera button on the top left in order to upload a new picture. Now, you'll need to allow access for your device's camera. You can choose to allow limited access or full access if you're using iOS. Now choose a picture you'd like to use as your profile picture on X. After selecting the picture, adjust it within the frame and click Apply at the top right. Once you are done, your profile picture will be updated. Now, if you want to update your bio in the same page, you can go to the Bio section and select it. Now type in a new bio you want to add for your account. After typing down your bio, you'll need to save it. Click on Save at the top right corner and there you have successfully updated your profile. You can also post your new bio as a new post. You can tap on Post It or Not Now according to your preference. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile picture and bio on X. A fresh profile always helps you stand out and connect better with your audience. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and make sure to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe for more easy tutorials from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.